Let's cook a smash burger with pimento cheese. All right, you guys, if you don't have a smasher to do a smash burger, you do have a smasher. I have a flat one, a rectangular one. It's 1.5 pounds or 1.25 pounds, and it sits over the side of this. This is a small cast iron that I'm going to use today. So here's my smasher. Everybody got one of these. This is what you're going to smash with. So get that skillet good and hot because you want it to sear. As soon as you put this thing in, you should hear that sizzle. And that's what we're ready. We got that sizzle, so we're ready. Put that on there. Do something like this so it don't stick. Let me get that thing smashed. And here it is. These onions are gonna go on top. So when I flip it, they'll be on the bottom. It's a little harder to do a thick smash burger, but it's doable. That's what this is. It's gonna go on a brioche bun. Delicious brioche bun. That's gonna take a little longer than my normal 2-minute smash burger because it's quite a bit thicker. I'm probably gonna flip it and then I'm gonna do a hold down for about 15 seconds on this to really get a sear on this other side. No toasted bun today, just gonna do it fresh and soft. We're gonna put just a little bit of sweet heat mustard on there, not much. Just a little bit on the bottom. Always remember when you're making these smash burgers, you use an 80-20 mix. You don't wanna go any leaner than that, and make sure you have a really good spatula on hand to get underneath there and flip them. Should definitely have some caramelized onions on the bottom of that. All right, so now we got the burger done and it's perfect. The onions are caramelized. Now comes the pimento cheese. And you're thinking, well, it's just cheese. Well, pimento cheese gives it an extra little kick and flavor that's just amazing. You got to try it. That is delicious. Perfectly cooked smash burger with the onions on there. Crispy, perfectly charred, delicious, juicy still. And then that pimento cheese on top with it, along with that brioche bun. And just a little bit of that spicy hot mustard. Delish. Thanks for watching, you guys. Head over to my YouTube channel, Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes, for many more delicious recipes like this one. Simple recipes you can make at home with what's in your cabinet and what's in your fridge. I'm Summertime Kev in Poppy's Kitchen. Check you guys next time.